and tell these people our enemy is not Ruto, as Kikuyus.
Our enemy is none.
Is the Somalis, the economical empowerment.
Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, the government should also enforce the law fairly and equally to hold perpetrators accountable for their actions. Lastly, civil society organizations, religious leaders, and media should promote interethnic dialogue and understanding. They should foster a culture of tolerance, respect, and acceptance where all citizens can contribute to the country's development without fear of discrimination or marginalization. In conclusion, these issues require urgent action from all stakeholders involved: community leaders, government officials, civil society organizations. We must all work together towards promoting unity over discrimination or violence for Kenya's socio-economic development to flourish. Pressing issue affecting Kenya's socio-economic fabric. Rising communal tensions and economic competition have raised concerns. Reports have emerged about a former gang leader, Waruinge, inciting violence against the Somali community in Kenya. Waruinge is alleged to be spreading fear and mistrust among his Kikuyu clan, claiming that the Somali community is amassing wealth and power with the intention of dethroning the Kikuyu as the dominant powerhouse in Kenya. This is not just divisive, but also potentially dangerous, as it risks igniting ethnic tensions and undermining Kenya's economic growth. Let us acknowledge that Kenya is a diverse nation with various ethnic groups. Each group brings unique strengths to the country's socio-economic development. However, an influence is inevitable in such a diverse setting. The challenge, though, is to encourage dialogue, understanding, and cooperation between different groups, rather than inciting violence or mistrust. Secondly, it's crucial to address the economic disparities and social inequalities that often fuel such tensions. While it's true that some members of the Somali community have been successful in business, it's equally true that many Kenyans from other ethnic backgrounds have also achieved economic success. The focus should not be on reducing success to ethnic lines, but promoting constructive dialogue and partnerships between different groups for mutual growth and development. Additionally, the government has a crucial role to play in addressing these tensions. It should ensure equal access to economic opportunities,